Well, as we all know, there is a telecom revolution which is brewing, and the figures which are now being placed out are extremely encouraging. And it's also a positive sign that how the internet users are swelling in a country. Well, if you go by the latest figures, it shows that over 936 million there are internet users in our country, which maps around over 90%, over 85 to 90%, I would say, as far as the internet users in our country is concerned. But what is even more encouraging is that most of these internet users are now swelling as far as the rural areas are concerned. The latest figures which are made available, it goes to at least 59.9% or at least around 60%, which means that even in villages, rural areas which people perhaps had not heard about cell phones at one point of time, over there the internet users are actually increasing, and the estimate which has been put forward by the government is that by 2025, and I'm talking about figures of 2023, 24, by 2025 the figures are expected to cross more than 950 million as well. So what are the key takeaways as far as the internet users are concerned? Well, first of all, it shows the increase in connectivity. There was a time when they were, for example, only landlines, mobile phone usage was very limited. So people were not able to communicate with each other, especially as far as the urban rural areas disconnect is concerned, especially as far as the far flung or remote areas are concerned. All of that now seems to be changing. And this change is also now reflected in the large number of internet users. You know, when you have the digital map also improving, it essentially shows that many of the government schemes are now going to be made easily available to the people. I mean, using the digital footprints, connectivity, Google, and interestingly, online education. That is also one of the main scheme of the government. And with these kind of internet users in place, online schemes are also something, or online education is something which becomes more and more easier for the government to also ensure that it reaches to the people and the last mile, especially I would say in rural areas, special small towns. Students, they can easily now make use of the internet so as to educate themselves, and that is how the increase in the number of internet users, which according to government figures are increasing. Along with this is a more increase of 5G and even the 6G services. Reliance, Jio, Bharti Airtel, these are the main players in the field, and the increase of 5G, 6G is also considered to be yet another hallmark in India's internet and telecom growth story.